so we've caught up basically with our tour. There's 6 of us remaining out of 20 from our tour. Most people have gone to either Fiji or Bali or New Zealand. But we're doing a waterfall tour today with a company called Uncle Brian's, and he's really cute. He seems so much fun. Although he did just sing us a song about dying in the rainforest, so that's a bit concerning. So Ava, Lucia and I are doing a skydive tomorrow. So we're filling our skydive registration form out. And Poppy's going to come cheer us on from the sidelines. I don't think, did you tell your mum? No, I haven't told my parents or my boyfriend, so it's going to be really funny. I'm just going to send them the video like, oh, hopefully it doesn't take like a day to put the video, it takes like 3 days. But does it? I didn't think about that. It takes like 3 days to get the video. I might just send her a picture of me in the gear before. Yeah. You see it? If I do come, I can take a picture of you. Yeah, that would be really cute. 4.5 minutes. Yeah. How are you going to do your hair? You're just going to do it in a ponytail? So why is it just going to go in a bun? So my instructor, yeah, like a little plan. Oh yeah. Some of them have to wear a hat. In like New Zealand, I think you have to wear a hat. Mr. Turtle! Oh my gosh, he's so cute! Yes, we've seen so much! I'm trying to see if you can see it on camera. Oh, just about. Spot the spider. Oh my. 21 people have died in this area. Most of them young males. That's crazy. And that's recent as well. Gosh. 2021. That's crazy. I don't know if you can even see it. I can't even see it on the camera through my camera lens. Taking me back to biology, it looks like a little billow. Been taking photos out on the rocks and they'll just slip in and get trapped by all the currents, which is horrifying. But it's really pretty on a different note. Yeah, it has really, the rock's really smooth looking, isn't it? Like you could just slide down them. Yeah, I think that's a bubble. Yeah, you just slip. Yeah. Oh look, that looks nice. And then, next thing you know, but yeah, he said the name was, what was it? Beninda, that means like slippery rock. I'm not unsure in what language, but they're called the Beninda boulders. Like the Aboriginal language. Ah. Yeah, look where it's all crossed out. Devil's Pool, hazardous area. The washing machine. That says enough for me. And the shoot. Yes. You don't get cut up like a meatball. Yeah. When you were younger, did you ever want to like go in the washing machine, or is that just a me experience? No. About to go down a lazy river. And apparently you can jump off this rock, which will be fun. We've made a little detour to our tour guide's house. He's poor. What? Oh my god! Guys, we're actually getting kidnapped right now.
Yeah,
let me just show you all my dogs.
I just said this is giving kids. I've got lollipops.
Yeah, I've got lollipops. I have sweets. Oh my god! Oh, they are really cute, to be fair.
So this is Lily, the brown one.
This is so funny.
The white one, she's the mum for the 2 pups.
Oh.
Hades, come here, mate. Come here. This is Morpheus.
Morpheus.
The little fella here.
Fun names.
This one here, little fella, he's Hades.
Hades. Oh. There's so many like vines and stuff. Look at that wiggly one. Oh! Oh, there's so many. Oh, rainforests!
So this is going to be...
So nice. This is amazing. Water slide! Apparently the first time you go down it feels like you're gonna die, so that's really exciting. That looks so fun. Oh, this is amazing.
There we go. Fellas down here.
Look at that. Thank you very much.
Oh, there we go.
Thank you.
Bit of couscous.
Yeah, for sure. Amazing, thank you.
Funny little one, that one.
What kind of spider is it?
Golden orb spider.
Oh, it's on the floor. Oh, it's upside down. Oh. It's really cute. Oh, they don't bite? Okay, that's okay. Oh, you've made me actually not scared of it. When I saw it above the tea and coffee, I did freak out.
Yeah. It's actually, these are like a puppy dog spider.
Aww.
Come on, girl. See that? So this is a female. If you have a look at the web, there'd be little males would be on the web, little tiny ones. When she creates with one, she'll kill it after that. She's just having a rest.
There's the first. How does it get bigger than that? Oh my god, it's got a huge... Okay, let's not step on it either. What the flip?
What?
That is huge! Oh. Oh yeah, that's great. I'll take a photo. Hold on.
No.
What is that?
Might make you
Is that the...
might swell your hand up, but it's not going to kill you.
Okay.
So that's a golden orb spider.
The same as the other one?
Yeah, same as the
but
other
just
one.
bigger. And that's a female as well?
This is another one up here, and this one here has got something. And it's just eating it.
Oh.
It's got a fly. See, that's killed a fly.
Yum.
It's eating a fly.
Nice bit of lunch. So big. And these are the females as well. Apparently this one's pregnant. Yeah.
So if you squeeze it, it's gonna like...
Give up. It's insane.
big.
Mongali Falls now. There's so many spiders there. I probably will put up a warning if you don't like spiders because they were scary. But oh wow! Well, let's not. I think this is the biggest waterfall I've ever seen. That's insane. It needed the intro too. Sorry. Oh my god, I'm so cold. Okay, we're gonna try and go behind it. But they look like they're getting absolutely plummeted. Woohoo! No, we don't need to go on the rocks.
Well, we'll follow me through.
Okay, we'll try. Everyone down, come on. Let's go. You coming with? What a chop line. Wow. Oh, I wish we could swim in here.
Yeah, there's a crocodile.
Oh wait, can you see them? Oh, fish. Oh, it's so clear.
Oh, there's a turtle.
Oh, there is a turtle.
Little baby.
Little baby. Oh, he's so cute. Oh.
I need my shoes to dry. They're so wet.
I don't know. We're at Lake Eacham. it's got a crocodile in it. If that means anything to you. And it's absolutely gorgeous, it's really nice. But I feel like the camera doesn't really pick it up, ever. This whole trip the camera has never picked up the full glory of it. But yeah, this has been a really good tour. Shout out to Uncle Brian's tours because they're really good. We've had so much fun, and now we've got hot chocolate and muffins, and I'm really excited. Although we have had so many sweet treats all day. That's all we've lived off. Oh my gosh. This is incredible. What is this?
This is quite cool.
I've never seen anything like this ever. Curtain fig. Oh, it's a fig tree. Or it was a fig tree. Oh, so it starts there and then goes around and then droops down. That's insane. Avatar basically came here and this was a massive inspiration for the movie, which I think is insane. Basically how it works, a seed gets dropped from like either bird droppings or it just drops there, and then it grows downwards, and then the trees basically hug each other because it searches for more nutrients, and then it just causes a cascade effect. So this one's been growing over 400 years, and now it's getting on to like its third or fourth tree by the looks of it. How many corners have we done so far? I don't know. I'm getting a bit queasy now. Look at these bends. How many did he say there were? Like 200? Oh, 42. 42 too many. 200. I think he did say 200. Oh my god, this is actually... Why did I not take that seriously? This is Lucy's drawing. Look how gorgeous it is. And this is ours. Oh, do you know what I'm going to draw? What are you going to draw? Can I write this on? Is it gonna be us? Oh, why are we so big compared to the plane? Supposedly.
Why are you like the same size?
Can you tell?
It's my first time.
It's my first time. Bloody hell!
If one of you doesn't throw my plane saying, it's my first time.
That's alright. After our skydive in the most basic way, we were saying we've all got our Australia tops on. Lucy's got hers on as well. And we've all got New Balances on as well. So the Australia basics. But yeah, we've now got an hour's drive to do the skydive, which is great. So it gives us lots of time to contemplate what we're doing. But it looks like a nice morning for it. Hopefully it goes well. I think this looks like skydive weather to me. But we'll keep our fingers crossed. God, look at my new trousers on. Looking fresh, nice and long. Love having my ankles out. But that's our parachute.
That fit Lucia perfectly.
Yeah. Little legs. Is it George?
Ja, het is George. Or if you want to feel proper German, Miguel.
I don't think we'll be able to say that. So George and I are going together. Woo! All the gear.
And no idea.
And no idea. I'm starting to get my nerves now. But it's a fit.
Good morning, everyone. We've got Scarlett here. Where are you from, Scarlett?
Essex.
All the way from Essex to Australia. Having fun?
So much fun. The best time.
Yeah. Today we go skydiving, eh? First time?
Yeah, first time.
How you feeling?
Good.
Yeah.
I'm really excited to do that.
Me too, man. We're gonna have fun. Let's go. beautiful up here today, huh?
Gorgeous. Oh my god.
You're driving the parachute, okay? So we're going to go to the left.
Okay, and that?
Yeah. Go left.
Oh my god! Wow.
Smiling. Yeah. We go to the right. Big one, big one.
Wow! Oh my god! Oh my god! That was so
Thanks for the jump, buddy. Thank you so much.
These are going! Off they go! Watch Lucia and Ava come down. I can't explain to you how surreal that was. It literally felt like you were on top of the world and like, oh my god, I look such a state. But it was just insane. But I'm really excited for them to come down. I hope they're having a good time. Yeah, that's Lucia. Here's Ava. She comes. Woo! Oh! Is that us? I think that's us. Is that us? I don't even know what number we are. Yeah. 20 or 20. Thank you so much. We got a cone. And it's basically pizza wrapped up in a cone. How cool is that? I'm really intrigued. Huh? Oh, I love churros. Cheers! Woohoo! I don't understand how you eat it. I don't know how you eat it either. I thought she was going to give us a fork. Just weekly water aerobics this morning. Out in the sea, but I don't think I'd want to go in the sea anyways.
Oh my god, they're all crabs.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
They're huge.
They're actually all crabs. I don't think I'd want to go on the beach.
Back to Gillies. So we're just boarding now. We're doing a scuba dive today and I'm so excited. They've got all the gas tanks out and I literally can't wait. So we're doing it in the Great Barrier Reef, which I can't wait for. Uncle Brian's tour and we're doing the rainforest tour today and it's Lucy's birthday, it's the birthday girl. And this is our first destination. This little viewpoint. Which basically just looks like cloud, but yeah, bright and early. Tour now, hopefully a crocodile tour.
Yeah, front of the boat sucks. Whatever given a
Oh
chance.
my god.
Literally
2 seconds in, female little croc floating around.
It's not cold enough to get all the crocodiles up out of the water. Sub males in this area too, they're sneaking around. Sub males are not as big, but big croc.
Off place for some lunch, and we've got burgers, and they actually look really lovely. So I'm very excited.
Okay, I need someone corner.
That was really cool. Side trees. Everyone's gonna know it. How many free drinks do you think you're gonna get tonight from the
Where the lights gone? And just turn them on. They are red to be fair.
Yeah, it's not even like they're white. Served. Yeah. They smell unreal. What's on top of yours? Is it truffle or something? It's like quinoa.
It's the pistachio. Put your
Ah, that looks so good. I really love the flavour. Brag you in the end. Yeah. We'll push it all together. It looks. This is the best meal we've had in ages, huh? Happy birthday to Sia. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Hooray! Woo!
next to Gilligan.
Yeah.
Ironic.
I don't think there should be a rainbow next to Gilligan's. I don't think that should be allowed. My last day, and Valentina and I have reunited, and we're getting a little coffee, and the rainbow's just come out, which is really wholesome. So we've both made a wish, but it's such a good rainbow. It's huge.